our candidates in their swimsuit competition. So, ano masasabi nyo mga kaibigan? Okay ba silang lahat? Ang hina naman ang sagot nyo. Okay ba silang lahat? Okay, di ba? So yan na, pinapakita ng ating mga candidates ang kanilang mga katawang mga nagagandahan. Talagang okay, so din natin kung sino natin, malalaman natin kung sino may pinaka-sexy. Okay, ladies, listen. All candidates, turn to your right now. Again, turn to your right now. Again, turn to your right now. And finally, turn to your right now. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our candidates in their swimsuit competition. Palapakan naman natin silang lahat. Talagang pinagsikapan nilang lahat yan para po sa inyong mga taga-Taytay. Part for our Miss Friendship. We would like to call on the one of the good designer in Taytay, Miss Venus De Leon, to present the award for our Miss Friendship. Palapakan natin si Miss Venus De Leon. Batang-bata pa rin si Madam.
2-1, ako 0-0. 2-0. Tama.
Good luck, ladies. Good luck, ha. Good luck sa inyong lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, our Miss Friendship 2007 is candidate number... Candidate number 20... Miss Michelle Baile, siya po ang ating Miss Friendship 2007. Ayan. Congratulations, candidate number 22. And thank you so much, Madam Venus De Leon. Ayan, thank you. Okay, so urong lang po tayo ng konti. Our next award is swimsuit. To present the award for our best in swimsuit, we would like to call on Mr. Hiller Sombrero. Ano ba? Ay, pogi pa yan. Okay, for our best in swimsuit 2007 is candidate number... Wow, mga nagaganda na sa sisihan at ang gwapong presenter. Nanalo na ang candidate number 7, Miss Maui Taylor. Miss Bakis. Miss Dow. Oh. Thank you so much, Mr. Romeo. Sa aking right side. Close up, please. May white screen tayo sa likod, ha. Ayan. Good evening, candidate number 1.